that corny ass shit you did is why niggas think you corny.
And, you know, we know each other. We go way back all the way to Chad Science in Newark, okay?
Corny kid, right?
No, I did not say that. Misquoted for sure.
To understand this story, let's go back when Michael B. Jordan was just a kid. What was his mindset? What type of character he had?
Man, I'm built different, period. I rarely go out. I always felt like if other cats was out partying and I was home studying, I would have the edge. Like, I'm literally like, all right, I will party later. I work hard now, so the second half of my life, I can do whatever the fuck I want. Mm-hmm. That's been my mentality. It's like, I'm not going to trick off my early years for partying and then worry about struggling, how I'm going to make it, how I'm going to take care of my family, how I'm going to take care of everybody else. Like, that's not going to be me. I'm going to grind it out now. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to set up the foundation so I can enjoy myself later. That's always been my mentality.
Michael B. Jordan played in different TV shows, non-stop, and his face became very familiar. But it's only when he started to break through the big screen that he started to become a huge star. Starting in 2012 with the movie Chronicles, when he co-starred the movie. And then a huge success, Creed in 2015. We have to remember that Michael B. Jordan used to be quite skinny. He had to put so much weight in order to play the son of Apollo Creed. And lastly, Black Panther in 2018, which became a blockbuster. At this point, Michael B. Jordan became such an amazing star worldwide. Not only it was a movie that generated so much money, but it was also a movie that was fighting for a social cause. In Masculine Academy channel, we create the best possible content for men to become their best version and to succeed in the delusional dating market. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. As a man, we build our value every single day. Women are born with their sexual market value. That means their attractiveness towards men. But men have to build their value in order to be desirable by women. Men have to climb the ladder every single day. And as you can see it in this graph here, men and women are different. And their sexual market peak is different as well. But as a man, we have such an advantage. We have the possibility to build ourselves up and to become successful if we want to. It's not going to be easy. We have to put in the work. It's going to be hard. It's going to be frustrating. But if you persevere and you work regularly, you can become the hero of your life. And this is why as a man, we have this ability to improve and become our best version every single day. And if you're a young man, this message is for you. Maybe you do not have much attention from women at the moment. Maybe it's very complicated on dating apps. But if you work hard, you set your eyes on the target, and you are disciplined, consistent, you will eventually achieve. And at this point, when you're successful, you can have the same attitude as Michael B. Jordan. When people are making fun of you as a young man, when people are calling you corny because you're not going partying, you're focusing on your purpose. In the future, this is going to pay out. And this is going to be visible by everyone when you put in the work. So the best possible revenge that you can take as a man on people that mock you, whether they were men or women, is to become successful. Is to become what they dream of. Let's watch the extract.
Girl is some corny nigga shit.
I can see that.
You being
That's
Michael
true.
B. Jordan today, allegedly sexiest man alive in all of these blockbuster movies.
I agree.
During your highlight week, you've probably never been more visible than you are right this second. And that's what you do to her. And if I bring back them white girl rumors, then it's gonna sound even crazier. Then it's gonna sound crazier. Cause why you talking to our sisters like that on the red carpet? We don't even talking to white bitches like that. But I'm not gonna make it racy. They say I make everything racy. That was corny of him to speak to that girl like that.
I'm not disagreeing. I would have made
Michael B.
a joke.
Jordan, that's why
I would've
niggas
made
call
a
you
joke
corny.
Off air. I would have made a joke off air like, word.
Hey, Creed. Hey, what's this nigga's name?
I wouldn't have did that in front of
Hey, Creed. In case you were confused, that corny ass shit you did is why niggas think you corny.
Yeah.
When you become successful, people are going to hate you. Some people are going to be jealous of you. And this is exactly what happened with Joe Budden. He saw Michael B. Jordan as a threat because he's the alpha, he's the dominant male at the moment, and he felt threatened by Michael B. Jordan. He had to resort to use racial narrative in order to justify his critics. As a man, the more successful you'll become, the more haters you will see, and the more people are going to come out of the woodwork to criticize your work. Becoming successful demonstrates a different type of mindset. If tomorrow Michael B. Jordan loses all of his money, I can bet you that you will be able to make it again, because his mindset is what makes him a different person in a different category. He doesn't play in the same league. As a man, you can always improve. And if you want to improve, you need to work on your looks. You need to work on your status. You need to understand the game. You need to have the right values. And you need to make a lot of money. If you're interested in making a lot of money, I recommend you to download my free book, How to Make Quick Money with ChatGPT. The link is down below. Now I want you to take a moment and think about you as a kid. Did you have dreams? Maybe you wanted to be an actor. Maybe you wanted to be a president. What happened to these dreams? Did you just give up on them? Or did you not have the right mindset? If you're interested in more advice about how to become your best version, you can watch this video or this video.
I think that Michael B. Jordan is just like a nice, corny guy. And I don't mean that as a slight, right? I mean, we all know that the nice, corny guys treat you the best.